Action! Good morning, Pythons! Welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2025.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And action! I've been preparing this audition for a long time. I got my dog. I got my sheep.
Cut! Rocco, this is not an audition. Sorry, Pythons. Now here are your daily announcements.
Howdy, y'all. Chef Nazir here, the protector of curiosity, the guardian of discovery, and I'm here to tell you about a very exciting news and have you saying yeehaw. It is called Saddle Up with Science, Ignite a Discovery. It's happening right here at Somerset Prep Academy Homestead on January 9th at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We got everything from student science project to hands-on activity for the whole family. Exploring the science of fitness and movement? Check. Curious about slime and circus? Double check. And come see our little scientists do hands-on activity. Ain't just another science night, folks. It's an adventure. It's your chance to see our students shine and get your hands messy with some science. Explore the wonder of STEM with your whole family. And do not worry, you don't need a lot of cook-like minds. You just need to bring in curiosity and a big old smile. So saddle up, y'all. Round your family and head down to Somerset Prep Academy on January 9th for a night of discovery, fun, and science adventure. I'll be waiting.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning using updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!